This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's front door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet a little, lift the safety catch and fully open the bonnet. The battery is located under a cover at the front of the engine compartment. Release the clip and lift the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut and disconnect the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal using a twisting motion. Position the clamp away from the battery terminal to avoid accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and disconnect the positive lead clamp in the same manner. Undo the two retaining nuts and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift the battery from place. Unhook the hold-down clamp bolts and remove the battery tray. Rotate the plastic cap at the rear of the headlight anti-clockwise and remove it. Pull the wiring plug from the rear of the bulb, then press the wire retaining clip forwards and to the side, then swing it down.